everyone, this is Hunter Green with Green Law Firm. I just wanted to make a short introductory video. I know that I've already done some videos, but as maybe you can tell by the quality of this video, it's a little bit better. And so I'd like to, every week or so put out maybe one video, an educational, informative, or maybe even just telling a story in these videos. But for this one, I'd just like to talk a little bit about myself, my background, my history, and, what it is, who I am, and part of that is being an estate planning attorney. So I was born in Arkansas. I was born in Little Rock. I've lived in several different parts of Arkansas, the main reason being that my father was a physician. He was a surgeon and would get contracts with different hospitals. And so as a family, we would, move around. And so I have moved around quite a bit. But I've always lived in Arkansas. I've lived in Arkansas my whole life. And so I feel like I know this state very well. I know the people in this state very well, and I love Arkansas. As far as, why I became an estate planning attorney or really decided to focus in on estate planning and elder law is when I started law school, I was married and already had my first child. And, I was a little bit, unsure of what area of law I really wanted to practice or that I felt passionate about. After my first year of law school, my father passed away. Fortunately, shortly, not too long before my father passed away, my parents had completed their estate planning. And so I was hearing from my parents, what that process was like. And I was really inspired by the peace of mind that my parents were obtaining and getting about doing their estate planning. And when my father passed away, we as a family were really able to focus on grieving, some, and really honoring my father's memory and his legacy rather than having to be worried and stressed out and burdened by dealing with, my father's property and his estate. We didn't have that, sort of distraction. We were really, able to be pure about, honoring my father's memory. And, I'm just so thankful for that. And the reason why we were able to, not have that added stress or that burden or that hassle was because my parents had done comprehensive estate planning. And so that sort of experience just really, it made me want to be able to reciprocate that and be able to provide families and people with that same peace of mind that my parents had. So I'm now, I'm still married to my wife who is my high school sweetheart. We now have 4 small children. And, I'm here in Lowell. My office is here in Lowell. We're a different kind of law practice. I think of us as we're a very family-oriented sort of law practice. I think that that's an experience that people have when they walk through our doors, is that we sit down with you and we really treat you like family. Now, some people, they don't want to be treated like family, and that's fine. But that's sort of my personality, is when someone walks through our doors, I really want to take care of you. I want to hear your story. And, and I want you to walk away from this experience having peace of mind, feeling satisfied. As far as what maybe sets us apart from some other law practices is, for one, we focus in on the areas of estate planning, elder law, and, we're kind of I'm not a huge fan of this term, but we're kind of a boutique law practice. That boutique that's sort of become popularized here lately. We focus in on this area because we want it to be just a really satisfying experience. We also want it to be easy for you to communicate with us, because I don't like, I've had the experience of, I hire maybe a professional to do something, and it's sort of like, the service is provided, the documents are provided, the visit is done, and, it's over with, it's completed. You're kind of left feeling a little high and dry. I don't want you to feel that way with me. I want it to be a very easy process. I want you to feel like you can reach out to me. I want you to feel like I'm in your corner. And so maybe that's something that, kind of sets us apart. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about me and what it is I do. And just look for some more videos to come out in the future. Thank you very much.